Hi friends, welcome to my channel Wealthy Wisdom. Let's get started with the weekly market analysis. So first of all, let's understand how did Nifty main indices and sectorial indices performed last week. If you see Nifty main indices, Microcap, Smallcap, Nifty Next 50 outperformed Nifty large cap and mid cap indices. Nifty micro cap has given close to 6% returns in the last 1 week. Whereas coming to the Nifty sectorial indices, Nifty media, PSU bank, oil and gas, PSE outperformed other sectorial indices. Auto and IT indices performed very less in the last week. Now let's go to every index in chart and we'll understand how is it going to perform in, in the coming weeks and how did it perform in the last week. First, let's start with the Nifty 50. Nifty 50 has started last week on very good note. It opened a gap up with a good amount, and first 3 days it stayed in the same range. Thursday, it fell down close to, I think, 400 points. Again, it recovered very well on Friday. Whatever the point it recovered from Friday, that is the very good for the support. And I am expecting next week, if it is not broken this level and if it stayed above this level, we can consider as Nifty is in positive trend. And also, if you see, this is also going to give you one more pattern. When it is recovering from here, first it made first high, then it fell down. And if it is goes from here, then that would be a very good sign that Nifty is in the positive direction. On Friday, we have got a Nifty GDP after market closed. And that data looks not favorable and it is very low. 5.4, we got a GDP 5.4, which is less than previous quarter. And even if you compare to quarter 2, FY24 also, it's very less than that. Is there any gap down because of this one? Usually there will be, but if you see, market is falling from September close to 11 to 12%, it fell down. Maybe market has already anticipated this one. That's why it has already factored the GDP data, what I'm thinking. And quarter 2 results also not that good. That's the reason I am thinking this particular news might not impact market on Monday. Moreover, the level, this is very, very good support level and it should not break. Any day candle, it should not close below this particular one. So if we close below this, then we have to be very cautious. And if it closes below this one, we can definitely consider as market again converted into bearish mode. Now let's understand PE. So Nifty currently trading at 22.2 PE, which is below 1 year average, less than 2 years average, and 5 years average also. Coming to the important resistance and support levels, 20,700, 20,800 is the next resistance level. And coming to the support levels, 23,850 to 23,400. This particular section is very, very important. And the next support level is 23,300 to 24,400, which is the bottom Nifty made in the recent times. Now, I wanted to draw a Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom and see what is the next one more important level. So if you see here, 38.2 percentage, which is close to 24,200. So market should, this will be, we can consider as a resistance level. That is the first resistance level, and which is also very close to the next resistance level, which is 24,700. So for now, we can consider as a 24,000. If it closes above 24,700, we can consider it is completely converted, Nifty converted into bullish mode. So now let's go with Nifty next 50. Nifty next 50, comparatively Nifty next 50 is recovered well in the last week. Coming to the PE ratio, so Nifty next 50, which is trading at 22.6, which is less than 1 year average, 2 years average, in even 5 years average is also. Important resistance levels are 72,600 to 72,700. Support levels, first support level is whichever the level which has started trading in the last week, 69,300 to 69,400. And the next important support level is if this breaks 66,400 to 66,500, which is the recent low. Now let's go to Midcap. Midcap also recovered well comparatively Nifty. And PE ratio for the Nifty Midcap is 42, which is comparatively other indices, which is trading very high. And you can see which is trading 1 year above 1 year average, 2 years average, even 5 years average also. So we have to be very careful with Nifty Midcap. Now coming to the support and resistance levels, the immediate support is 20,500 to 20,600. Next level, in case if that breaks, 20,000 to 20,100. Resistance level is 21,400 to 21,500. Now let's go to small cap. Small cap recovered very well comparatively all the other indices. Large cap, Nifty 50, Nifty next 50, Nifty mid cap. Comparatively, this index recovered very well in the last 1 week, and you can see every day it formed a green candle except Thursday. But Thursday, if you see Nifty 50, it formed a very big candle, but it just fell less than 1%. Again, Friday it recovered. And even if you see also, it is just 5% away from its high. But whereas if you see Nifty 50, price range. So Nifty has to recover close to 8% to reach to the all-time high. Whereas small cap, if you see, it just have to reach only 50% away from its all-time high. So coming to the resistance, the next important resistance level is 18,000 to 18,100, and support level is 16,600 to 16,800. Now let's go with the last index, which is a microcap. Microcap index even performed better than any other index. It outperformed even the small index also, and it recovered close to, we can see from, if you see from here, bottom, it recovered close to 8.5%. And in the last 1 week itself, it recovered close to 6%. It recovered close to 6%, and it just away from 3.5% from its recent high. Microcap outperformed than any other index. Now coming to the support level, 23,200 to 23,300. Resistance 25,400 to 25,500. So this is the overall about indices. So now let's go and find out the FII DI data, what happened in the last week. So you can see it started with very good note, and this is 9,900. We should not consider because FIS purchased due to MSCI rebalancing. And the following day, they purchased 1,100. So they turned positive after 38 days. 27th, they purchased minimum. There is no negative amount. So good. It's a positive only. But again, Thursday, they sold 11,750 crores. Again, Friday, they sold again 4,300 crores. Even though market recovered little bit, Friday they sold again. It shows they're not stopping in the near future. Let's hope they will stop in future. I hope you like the video. If you like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in another video.